India will be hosting the Commonwealth Games in its centenary in 2030 in Ahmedabad. That's right, in 2030, Ahmedabad has won the chance to host the Commonwealth Games. The announcement has just been made. 2026 is going to be Glasgow in Scotland, and then 2030, which is the Commonwealth centenary, the games will be held in Ahmedabad. That's the big story we're breaking here. NDTV had told you that Ahmedabad was a front runner and was all set to win. The first pictures and the first information breaking first as always here on NDTV. Our sports editor Rika Roy live with us. Rika, big win for Ahmedabad, the 2030 Commonwealth Games.
It is indeed a very, very big win for Ahmedabad. After, I would say 14 years, 15 years, we have this formal announcement of the Games returning to India. Of course, the Games will be held in 2030. Behind me, you can see the hashtag which has just been inaugurated. It's hashtag CWG 2030 in Bharat. The sports minister right now behind me is addressing. It's a big moment for India, and let me tell you that there was fireworks here at the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at the heart of New Delhi a little while ago, and there will be a laser show as well also to mark the moment. PT Usha, the president of Indian Olympic Association, is in Glasgow at the moment taking that formal handover signing
stay
of
with
the
me,
documents.
Rika. Mansukh Mandavia, the sports minister, is speaking. Let's listen in.
वर्ल्ड कप लेवल के गेम्स कराने के लिए अपनी क्षमता को दर्शा रहा है, और उसको देखते हुए भी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स जितने ही बड़ी 2029 के लिए वर्ल्ड पुलिस गेम्स के लिए भी भारत को मेजबानी करने का अवसर मिलने वाला है, उसको भी भारत के लिए घोषित करा गया है। वैसे 2030 के लिए ओलंपिक्स गेम्स का आयोजन भी भारत करेगा। भारत ने नहीं केवल गेम्स का आयोजन करने के लिए अपनी क्षमता को हासिल करा है, लेकिन हम मेडल टैली में भी लगातार आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। हमारी खेलो भारत नीति और स्पोर्ट्स गवर्नेंस बिल हमें उसमें मजबूती प्रदान कर रहा है। आने वाले 10 साल के लिए हमने मेडल स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए भी एक लॉन्ग प्लान तैयार कर लिया है। इस प्लान के आधार पर कई प्रकार के पॉलिसी रिफॉर्म आज के दिन में चल रहा है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आने वाले दिनों में 2036 में भारत, यानी कि आने वाले 10 साल में भारत दुनिया में 1 से 10 क्रम के स्पोर्टिंग नेशन में अपना स्थान हासिल करेगा। और हमने ये रोड मैप तय कराई थी, जब 2047 में जब देश आजादी का शताब्दी वर्ष मनाता हो, तब हम दुनिया में 1 से 5 क्रम के टॉप स्पोर्टिंग नेशन में भारत का नाम अवश्य नामांकित करेंगे। दोस्तों, मैं देश के सभी एथलीट को, देश के सभी युवाओं को खेलने के लिए, अपना परफॉर्मेंस करने के लिए, अपना स्वयं का और देश का नाम रोशन करने के लिए तैयार रहने के लिए आह्वान करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Rika, take us through the kinds of preparations that are going to take place. This is not just the Commonwealth Games, it's the centenary of the Games. What is that going to involve by way of logistics, by way of prestige, by way of preparation?
Sorry, can you repeat that question, please?
This being the centenary, Rika, what is it going to mean in terms of preparation, in terms of prestige?
Well, you see, India will probably have 15 to 17 games, which will be much larger than Glasgow in scale, and they will have many venues. As of now, we do not know the final list of games that will be there, but roughly 15 to 17 games we are hoping, and that will be a massive scale in terms of Commonwealth Games, and it will set new standards. One of the things that definitely the the organizing committee is looking at is controversy-free games, and that's been one of the talking point. Controversies have been one of the talking points of the previous Commonwealth Games, and everyone, when they mentioned about Delhi 2010, first mentioned about the controversies, but they want to move beyond it. And also, one has to say that India is trying to put up legacy projects in terms of infrastructure, so that this games in Ahmedabad is not just for the games, but also builds infrastructure and other amenities for the 2036 Olympics if India is to get that.
Thanks very much, Rika. We're going to take a very quick break, but a big win for India. The Commonwealth Games will be held in 2030 in Ahmedabad, and we will, of course, bring you the latest information on preparations. There are a lot of celebrations taking place in Ahmedabad. Gujarat cannot wait to host the Commonwealth Games as well, and we'll continue to report on this big news break. Quick break, much more on the other side.